welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Angela. I am so glad that you stopped by. Today I'm going to be doing a cleaning motivational video. Say hi, Jordan. Are you gonna help Mama clean?
Yeah.
Yeah, we're gonna clean this house together? Clean the house. Okay, good. So I'm gonna be doing a cleaning motivational video, and this video is in collaboration with Maria Riggins.
Hi guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Maria Riggins and I do videos on anything mom related.
Maria is a beautiful mommy of 3. She posts videos on organization, and she also posts cleaning motivational videos, and she is so great. I love watching her videos. Every time I finish watching her videos, it just gets me motivated to get stuff done. So you guys make sure and check out her channel when you're done watching this video. Let's get right into cleaning this messy house. Stop for a little coffee break. I haven't had coffee, I think, since I've been pregnant, just because the thought of drinking coffee just, I don't know, it would gross me out. And right now I think I can drink some, so I'm gonna try to drink some and we'll see. I need a little bit of energy, these babies, oh my gosh. But I'll be right back. Moment of truth. Oh my gosh, I hope I don't puke. I've missed this. It tastes so good. Oh my gosh, I love it. But I need to get back to cleaning, so let's finish cleaning. about you guys, but I love spraying air freshener when I'm done cleaning a room. It just makes everything feel so much cleaner, and it smells so nice. I'm finally done! Yay! Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave me a thumbs up and don't forget to watch Maria's video. I'm gonna have her link in the description box down below. Bye! I will see you guys later.